the AT1 Massage Gun. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the AT1 Massage Gun, which features AI-powered technology. I will go over specs, features, give a brief demonstration, and provide my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The massager comes in a nice storage case. Inside you get the following. On the top, you'll find the user guide. You have the massage gun, 6 attachments, and the charger. The AT1 features percussive therapy, 3800 RPMs with a depth of 16 millimeters, AI-powered massage head recognition, smart power adjustment, D-shaped multi-grip handle, 600 minutes runtime with a 2600 mAh battery, max force of 65 pounds, and it has an intuitive display. The massager is fairly light and it's easy to grip with multiple options with a D-shaped handle. It has a rubber grip on the back. On the bottom, you'll find the on and off button along with the charging input. On the back, you have the display where you can turn the massager on and off along with adjusting the speed settings. You also have the following indicators: the auto massage indicator and battery level, massage speed and duration, massage instruction, head recognition, charging indicator, and body induction. Turning on the massager is simple. Just tap on the power button on the touchscreen, and you can use the arrows to adjust the speed. You can see the LED lights on the side as well once the device is on. Removing and installing the massage head is easy. Just pull to remove and push to install it. The AI feature is unique as it will automatically recognize the massage heads while inserted. You will also be able to see the display on what areas of the body it should be used for. Here you can see as I cycle through the attachments, the parts of the body will be highlighted on the screen. Turning on the massager is a simple tap on the power button, and you can use the arrows to adjust the speed settings. You can see the LED light on the side of the device as well. This is how it sounds. I will scroll from the lowest to the highest setting. Toggling the auto feature is just a long hold on the power button and you will see the auto light up or turn off. This AI feature will automatically adjust the speed, force, and depth as you run it through the section you are focusing on. The AT1 Massage Gun has a lot of features and I feel it has tremendous value. Having used it for a couple of weeks, I find it simple to use and having the AI feature is a plus. I do have a Theragun as well, and all I can say is this is a great alternative. I feel it has delivered or has the same results, if not better. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.